5 reasons why online marketplaces that connect farmers and consumers fail. I found them. Hi, I'm Carlos, Guided Secret Layers, a poultry education platform that teaches you everything that you need to run your layer poultry farm like a real business. Let's get started. Number 1, logistics. The online marketplaces that have been present, I'm talking about Kenya, have no way of ensuring the product that the seller has sold reaches to the buyer, and that's the main issue. So you can go there and buy your product, but there's no way it can get to you unless the farmer coordinates it, and most of the time it's expensive for the farmer, so it usually does not work. Number 2, prices. You see, the whole point of an online marketplace is for farmers to get more prices compared to what middlemen offer them, and for the consumer to get low prices compared to what they get from the middlemen. So this creates a conflict where farmers charge high while the consumers want low prices, so they fail. Number 3, consumer behavior. Where do you buy your products from? It's either from Mama Mboga or from the supermarket. So currently we are not used to buying agricultural products online, but with time I think that's going to change and they can be successful. Number 4, trust. The online marketplaces that have been present have not offered any payment system within the platform itself. So you connect with the buyer, like the buyer connects with the seller on the platform, but for payment they have to move out of the platform for that to take place. So they either use Safaricom or any other bank details, and that creates the issue of trust, where buyers are not sure they're going to get what they bought, even after they pay for it. Finally, number 5, the online marketplaces that are present focus on consumers like me and you who buy products for use at home, and the farmer. Here's what I think. There have been some that have tried to connect the farmers to retailers, what we call a B2B. So the farmer posts their produce there, but now the buyer is not an end consumer like me and you, but a businessman or a businesswoman, the ones we call Mama Mboga. So they buy there in bulk at low prices, and they come sell to us. That's the model that has somehow tried to work, like what Trigger Foods did. So maybe that's the solution. Make sure you check secretlayers.co.ke to learn how to run your farm profitably like a real business.